Okay. So we are starting of this session, right? First session, first PPT, first session. So what is an environment is nothing but, I'll go on very normal, very plain and everything. So what is an environment talking about? Environment is talking about nothing but all the living plus non-living. जो जिंदा है, जो नॉन लिविंग है, उन सब के बारे में जो interact with each other, that is the natural component. So this is an interaction of living, non-living entities, everything present is known as the environment. Whereas environment is nothing but, यहाँ पे physical changes हैं, there is also chemical changes. So the student, Kanika Gupta, yes, Kanika is a singer, right? Chaya, who is Chaya, man? Nice name. Chaya has, as a beginner, where should I start? Okay, Chaya. So as a beginner, where would you start? You would start off with this session. Those sessions will be completing it around like 20 classes, like 20, I wouldn't say hours based, because there are some areas, which will take only 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. If your speed is matching up with me, I can finish it in 10 hours only. So we'll see how many hours we can complete. So first I would say, as Chaya, if you're a beginner, don't worry about it. It's the best thing that, when you're a beginner, you will, your mind will be fresh. And jo bhi yahan pe, whatever I am providing you through these PPTs, just understand it. And after that, once this session finishes, get on to the material that will be provided, or your this thing, Shankarayya's textbook, you take it and start reading. Whatever chapters will be important, I'll be telling you after the end of the session. I'll be telling you which all chapters to be prioritized. It's not that all the chapters questions are being asked. If you have seen the previous PPT that I've shown you, not all the areas that are being asked. There are only major areas that UPSC is targeting. So we'll target those areas from the textbooks, and you have to read it on your own. And trust me, reading on your own is much difficult at this point of time, whether there is no libraries, whether the environment is totally dysfunctional, everything. So these sessions के बाद ही वो सब कर लेना, पहले ये session को बहुत शिद्दत से देख लेना, right? I hope I have made it clear for you. Okay. So now the environment, यहाँ पे जो environment दिख रहा है आपको, this is nothing but the physical. There are some chemical changes that are happening, and then some biological changes. Every change in the environment will be interacting with each other. It is nothing but the environment. इसमें living, from now on, we will not talk about kiddish languages. We will talk about some hi-fi languages, because UPSC. Living is biotic, non-living is abiotics. Abiotic is non-living and biotic is living components. So these will be keeping on changing. Why? Because there are physical, chemical and biological activities that are occurring very frequently. Then what is a habitat? Habitat. What is my habitat? This is my address of my location. This particular place where I'm sitting, the particular place where Kanika is sitting and viewing this lecture is her habitat. So organism lives in a particular place, that is called as habitat. So fish, frog, and all these aquatic animals, where do they stay? In a pond. That is a habitat for them. So pond ecosystem or the aquatic habitat, it is the address of the location. Okay. So every person, every living organism or non-living organism, wherever it stays, that becomes an environment, obviously, right? Because it will only be available. A frog is available there because water is there, nutrients are there. It has flies, fishes, everything to catch hold and eat. So an environment is created, living and non-living. So this is an environment. Then what about the next slide that classifies the environment into? Environment can be classified into many things: physical, biological and cultural. Physical environment में तीन चीजें हैं जिसके बारे में geography में भी you people would be reading. Biological, obviously flora. Flora means plants. Fauna means animals. Microbia, bacteria, everything. Cultural environment, society, environment, the economy and the polity as such, the other subjects. So this is the basic classification between all of these things. Now the ecosystem. So there are only two terms that you have start off with. I already told you. I talked about ecology and environment. If you see, this series is nothing but ecology and environment series. Why ecology and environment? Are they both different? Yes, they are different. Why they are different? Hold on. Just read on this word and then we'll get on to ecology. So ecosystem, eco plus system. So any technical subject, guys, the word itself will have the the word itself will have the essence of the thing. यूपीएससी 2020 वाले में क्वेश्चन में सर्विस अप्रोच करके पूछा था एक क्वेश्चन विच इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट करके 4 क्वेश्चंस पे पूछा गया था. सो सर्विस, what where do you usually in economy do the service? You would want to cater to the rural areas. So rural areas में what kind of bank should be available? Local area banks, right? So it was like direct thing. The word itself has everything meaning. That is why I tell you, every time try to dissect the word and you will find the answer. So ecosystem is nothing but the community and the non-living environment together are referred as ecological system, where there are not interacting. Interaction की कोई जरूरत यहाँ पे नहीं है. Whereas environment they have to interact. Here it is just that rabbit is there, water is there, living plants are there, कुछ पत्थर वत्थर हैं यहाँ पे, sun is there, everything. It need not interact. It is not still interacting. It is just that everything together they are there in the environment. Okay. And then Arthur Tansley ने इसके बारे में एक definition दिया था. This definition, the word was given by Arthur Tansley in 1935, right? So this is nothing but an ecosystem. Whereas in ecosystem, what happens, whatsoever happens in the end of the ecosystem, like from today, after 3 days, the energy, everything, the interactions that happen at the end of the interaction, after 3 days, after 5 days, after 10 days, it will be same in the sense we are not using any more kiddish languages. We'll use equilibrium. It will be balanced. Okay, today I have some bacterial infection in my stomach. After 5 days it will anyway go. Again I'll come back to the equilibrium. Why? Because this is nothing but homeostasis. Environment mein, ecosystem mein, what happens is any system that loses its turbulence. Today there was a lot of sunshine. Tomorrow there might be a lot of rain, no sunshine at all. But fir bhi, what happens? The environment will be completely balanced together. That is known as homeostasis. Homeo, same, status, static. It's same. Howsoever timeline it goes on. So this is the definition of the ecosystem and homeostasis. So this tells you the difference between the environment and ecosystem that we have already dealt in the previous 2 slides. Now the ecology. Now ecology is nothing but, I've already told you, the session is ecology plus environment. So environment, we have seen all the living and non-living things are together. So now what is ecology? Ecology means it's a study. But what is a study of? It is a study of something related to what? Animals and plants, how they are related. Animals and plants, how they are related in an environment, that is called as ecology. Who has given this word? Ernst Haeckel in 1860s, around that time. So don't worry about the dates, okay? Some books, give it as 1867, 62. So dates is not the important thing. It's about the person who has coined it, right? After this, we get on to the discussion of the levels of organization. Thoda sa dhyan dijiyega, because here itself, most of the other slides are subsequent slides will be covered here itself. So we start off in an individual. Individual could be a fish. Individual could be anything. I can say, this remote is a individual entity, non-living entity. Okay, group of these entities together. Group of entities together is population. We say male population, how much is it? Female population kitna hai? Rhino ka population kitna hai? Understood? It's a group of individuals together. Whereas community is what? Community is nothing but where different species will be available. Here you see, it is some mollusk, it's some kind of tadpole, some fish, crab, plants. So different varieties of species are available. That is called as community. Why are we a community? India is a community, diverse community. Why? We have Muslims, we have Christians, we have ethnic people, we have Bodo tribes, we have many other things. So that is community. और ecosystem क्या है? इस ecosystem में इसके पहले community में देखो, सबके सब living entities हैं. All of the living entities together is a community. When I start bringing some non-living entity or abiotic factors into the community, that is called as ecosystem. So what is this? This is living plus non-living. Right? Understood? ये single individual है, ये group of population है. This is living on entities only. This is living plus non-living entity. So this is the ecosystem. Or ecosystem, if you see, the area of ecosystem is only here. Suppose nearby your area there will be pond ecosystem. छोटा सा pond होगा, उसमें पत्थर भी होंगे, there will be